Good morning everyone. Today is the part second of complex number and quadratic equation chapter, and today we are going to solve some more questions based on this chapter. So the first question that we are going to solve is 1 by 5 plus iota 2 by 5 minus 4 plus iota 5 by 2, and we have to represent this in the form of a plus iota b as done in previous video. So let us solve this. 1 by 5 plus iota 2 by 5 minus is going to be substituted in this bracket, that is minus 4 minus plus minus iota 5 by 2. Now this is real part, this is imaginary part, this is real part, and this is imaginary part. So we are going to solve a real part differently and imaginary part differently. 1 by 5 minus 4 plus iota 2 by 5 minus iota 5 by 2 equal to, let us take the LCM of it, 5, 1 minus 4 into 5 plus, take iota as common, you will get 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2 equal to 1 minus 20 by 5 plus iota, LCM is 10, 2 2 is 4 minus 25. We will get minus 19 by 5 plus iota minus 21 by 10. Thus the answer will be minus 19 by 5 plus iota minus 21 by 10, where A, the real part, is minus 19 by 5 and B is minus 21 by 10. Any doubt? Let us move towards the next question. The next question is question number 7, that is 1 by 3 plus iota 7 by 3 plus 4 plus iota 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 plus iota. Let us solve this. 1 by 3 plus iota 7 by 3 plus 4 plus iota 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 plus iota. 1 by 3 plus iota 7 by 3 plus 4 plus iota 1 by 3. Let us take this minus into the bracket, minus minus plus 4 by 3 minus iota. This is real part, this is imaginary part, this is real part, imaginary part, real part, imaginary part. Let us take all the real part differently. 1 by 3 plus 4 plus 4 by 3 plus iota 7 by 3 plus iota 1 by 3 minus iota. Let us solve this in one go. How? The LCM of this number be 3. 1 into 1 plus 4 into 3 plus 4 into 1 plus, take iota common here, so we will left with 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Here let us solve this. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 12 plus 4 by 3 plus iota. Let us take LCM here. The LCM will be 3. 7 plus 1 minus 3. So the answer will be 17 by 3 plus iota 8 minus 3 is 5 by 3. So we have wrote the answer of this in the form of a plus iota b. Any doubts? Please take the screenshot if you want. Let us move forward to next question now. So the question number 8 is 1 minus iota raised to power 4. How we are going to solve this? Let 1 minus iota and convert this 4 into 2 into 2. 1 minus iota, take this 2 outside the big bracket. Now here we see a minus b whole square. So we are going to apply the formula of a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this will become 1 square plus iota square minus 2 into 1 into iota whole square. This square remains as it is. What is the value of 1 square? 1. What is the value of iota square? As we have already mentioned, value of iota is under root of minus 1. Iota square is minus 1. Iota cube is minus iota. And iota 4 is 1. Please remember all these values. So iota square will be minus 1 minus 2 into iota square. 1 and 1, that 1 minus 1 is 0, or you can cancel out this. So we are left with minus 2 iotas square. What is the square of minus 2? That is 4 and iota square. Now put the value of iota square here too. So you will get 4 into minus 1. So the answer will be minus 4. Since we have to represent it in the form of a plus b, so the answer will be minus 4 plus iota 0. Any doubts? Now moving forward to next question, that is question number 9. Says 1 by 3 plus 3 iotas whole cube. Here we are going to apply the formula of a plus b whole cube. So the formula is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square. Let us apply the formula here. 1 by 3 cube plus 3 iotas cube plus 3 into a, that is 1 by 3 square into 3 iota multiply plus, that is different, the 4 term will be 3 into 1 by 3 multiply by 3 iotas whole square. 1 by 3, 1 cube is 1 and 3 cube is 27 plus 27 iota cube plus 3 into 1 square is 1 and 3 square is 9 multiply by 3 iota plus this 3 and this 3 can be cut out. We are left with 3 square, that is 9 and iota square. We can also cut 3 1s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are 3 3s are. So we are left with 1 by 27 plus 27. Put the value of iota cube here, that is equal to minus iota. Plus we will get iota from here and plus 9 into iota square value is minus 1. So we will have 1 by 27, since this is the real part and this is the real part. 1 by 27 minus 9 minus 27 iota plus iota. Take the LCM of this, the LCM will be 27. 1 minus 3, 6, 18,624 minus 27 iota plus iota is 26 iota. So you will get the answer minus 242 divided by 27 minus 26 iota is the answer. Since we have to represent it in the form of a plus iota b, we will have minus 242 divided by 27 plus iota into minus 26. Any doubts? Now moving towards the next question. The next question is quite similar to this question as well. That is, we have to find the value of minus 2 minus 1 upon 3 iota whole cube. So here, firstly, take this minus out of the bracket. So we will have minus 1 cube, because we are taking minus 1 common, the cube will also come with it. And we will get left with 2 plus 1 by 3 iota whole cube. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Leave it as it is because we do not want to touch this. And put the value of a plus b whole cube here. What is the formula of a plus b whole cube? Is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So 2 cube plus 1 by 3 iota cube plus 3 into 2 square multiplied by 1 by 3 iota plus 3 into 2 1 by 3 iota square. Solving this, we will get minus 1 here. Leave it as it is. 2 cube is 8 plus 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27, iota cube is iota cube plus, you can cut out 3 and 3 here, and you are left with 2 square, that is 4, and iota plus 3 into 2 is 6, multiply 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, and iota square. Minus 1, 8 plus 1 upon 27. Put the value of iota cube, that is equal to minus iota here, plus 4 iota, plus we can cancel out 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja, 2 by 3. Put the value of iota square here, that is minus 1. Now we will have minus 1, 8 plus, what will the value? Sorry, plus minus iota by 27 plus 4 iota minus 2 by 3. Leave minus 1 as it is. This is real part, this is real part. 8 minus 2 by 3, write it together, minus iota by 27 plus 4 iota are imaginary parts. Minus 1, take the LCM of it, the LCM will be 3, 8 cross multiply this, 8 into 3 minus 2, minus, also take the LCM of this, the LCM will be take plus here, not plus here, we take minus here, write 4 iota first and then minus iota by 27 plus, take the LCM, 27 will be the LCM, and 4 into 27, what is 4 into 27? That will be 8 to carry, for 108 iota minus iota. Minus 1, 8 is a 24, 24 minus 2 is 22 by 3 plus 108 minus 1 is 107 iota by 27. Multiply this minus 1 into the bracket and you will get the answer, that is minus 22 by 3 plus minus 107 iota by 3. This is the answer in the form of a plus iota b, where a is minus 22 by 3 and b is minus 107 by 3. Any doubt? You can take the screenshot. Now let us move towards the next question. In this question we are going to find the multiplicative inverse of z. Here the question is 4 minus 3 iota. Let z be equal to 4 minus 3 iota. Then we are going to find z inverse here. So firstly, let me tell you the formula of z inverse, that is z divided by mod z square. How we are going to find mod z square is an big question. Mod z square is always equal to the real part square. So the real part is 4 square plus imaginary part square. Here imaginary part is minus 3 square. 4 square is 16 plus minus 3 square is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. So the multiplicative inverse of z will be equal to z upon z mod square. So it will be, what is the value of z? 4 minus 3 iota, and mod z square value we have already calculated is 25. Separate this 25 with both the numbers and this will be the answer of this question. Any doubts? Now remember one thing, that whenever we are finding z inverse, we have to take mod of this z. It means that we have to we don't have to take mod of this z. We have to change the sign of this middle term. If it is negative, we have to change its side into plus, and if it positive, then we have to change this sign into negative. Any doubts? So the answer will be 4 by 25 plus 3 by 25 iota. Moving on to the next question. That is question number 12. Under root 5 plus 3 iota. Let us, how we are going to do so? We have to find the multiplicative inverse of it. Firstly, let z is equal to under root 5 plus 3 iota. Now we have to find the mod square of z. How we are going to do this? Take the square of real part plus take the square of imaginary part. Under root 5 square is 5 and 3 square is 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. Now the multiplicative inverse of z is, that is z inverse is equal to z upon mod z square. Since we know that we have to change the sign of imaginary number here, so the answer will be under root 5 minus 3 iota divided by mod z square value, that is 14. So the answer will be under root 5 upon 14 minus 3 iota by 14. That's the answer of this question. Any doubts? Moving towards the next question. The next question is 13 minus iota. We have to find the multiplicative inverse of it. How we are going to do so? Let z is equal to minus iota. Then we are going to find mod z square. Since there is no real part, so 0 square plus the imaginary part is minus 1 square. So the answer will be 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Here the multiplicative inverse of z is z inverse is equal to z bar divided by mod z square. You can write z bar or z arrow, whatever you want. The answer remains the same. What you are going to do? Take the real part as it is, that is 0. Change the sign of imaginary part, that is, if there is minus, we are going to change its sign into plus. 0 plus iota divided by mod z square value, that is 1. So the answer will be 0 upon 1 plus iota upon 1. So the answer will be 0 plus iota. Any doubts? Now moving forward to next question, that is the last question of this chapter. The question is 14th question. 3 plus iota under root 5, 3 minus iota under root 5 divided by under root 3 plus under root 2 iota minus under root 3 minus iota under root 2. And we have to solve this question and represent it in the form of a plus iota b, just like the first 10 question we have done in our previous video and this video as well. So see, in the numerator we have a plus b and a minus b. So we are going to apply the property of a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So it will substitute 3 square minus iota under root 5 square divided by under root 3 plus under root 2 iota minus under root 3. Take this minus into the bracket, minus minus will become plus iota under root 2. 3 square is 9 minus under root 5 square is 5 iota square divided by under root 3 and 3 got cancelled out because of opposite sign, and 2 iota and iota under root 2 are same, so we are going to write it as 2 under root 2 iota. Here substitute the value of 9 minus 5 iota square value is minus 1, so we are left with 2 under root 2 iota. 9 minus minus plus divided by 2 under root 2 iota is equal to 14 by 2 under root 2 iota. You can divide this as 7, 1, so we will get the answer 7 by under root 2 iota. You can leave this question here. Iota is in the denominator. You can leave this question here, you will get the full marks. But if you want to impress the checker, you have to solve this question further, because never leave iota in the denominator. So we are going to multiply this by iota and divide it also by iota. You will get 7 iota divided by under root 2 into iota square. You will get 7 iota you will get iota square value into it under root 2 minus 1. So you will get the answer minus 7 by under root 2 iota. That's the answer of the question. Here we end the chapter and the whole chapter is completed here. Any doubts? You can ask in the comment section. Thank you very much.